on my morning run. But look at all this water. I can't get through. I gotta find a way. I gotta go back around. Holy moly. Astoria Park, gotta find better drainage for this stuff. I have never seen this. There's mud everywhere. Wonderful. Just what I needed, right? Holy moly. That kind of stumps my usual path. Look at all this. Go swimming in that. Damn it. It's okay. I'll skip this and then keep moving to my regular routine. Anyway, it's a cloudy, nasty day. Old men looking at me. So I'm on my walk and I bump into this little guy that looks like a little leaf. Take a look. Can you see him? You can do it! You can do it! Yay! You is an ugly little thing. Actually, he looks like a leaf. Hi there, buddy. What's going on there, buddy? That is so cool. Nature is beautiful, huh? I love taking these walks. Even on a rainy day. Oh my God, I'm trying to hold this before I drop it. Shoot. And so the walk continues. I'm getting my juice in. Good morning. Good. I was wondering if I can get the grandma's mixed vegetable. Thank you. Super, super duper excited. I'm gonna get my grandma's mixed vegetables. It has apple, pear, carrot, beet, cucumber, green chard, and ginger. Make that a large, if you can, please. Can I also get a shot of wheatgrass? 1 ounce. Yes. Yay, I'm super excited. All natural. Thank you. Yes. That is awesome. Thank you so much. Bottoms up. Salute. Natural Frontier Market. Got my juice. Now I'm heading home. Ooh, that ginger kicks it up a notch. But I'm about to finish my workout at home, get out of this wet, rainy weather, and enjoy the rest of my day. Cheers, people. Take care. Guys, yeah, look at my hair. It's all wet and frizzy from this weather. Ugh. Anyway, I just got in from my power walk until it started to rain. I just started walking. It was just terrible. But nevertheless, I established, basically staying motivated and productive this morning. I'm going to continue my workout. I got my yoga pants on. See, yoga pants. Yes, darling. Woo-wee. I got my yoga pants on. I'm going to start my routine and stay productive. I hate sitting around doing nothing. And to all you ladies that have reached out to me and said, you know, I don't know how you do it. You know, you're motivating me to start walking. My advice to you is, you got a car, leave it at home, okay? If you need to do your local shopping, go on foot. If you need to be somewhere that's not too far, leave your car behind, leave a little early. Just listen. They say that walking is far more beneficial than going to the gym. Why? Because it's not guaranteed that you'd be going to the gym every single day, but you can keep up with a routine that's free, and that routine is walking. As long as you can try to get in 10,000 steps in a day, then it's more than certain that you'll be losing weight. It's good for your stress levels, it's good for your heart, it's good for a lot of different things. But stay productive, stay active, stay consistent. Consistency is the key to success. I look terrible, right? I just got in these bags. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I need more sleep. However, I am a mom of triplets, and I dedicate a lot of my time to them, because family is everything. Love y'all. Keep following me. If you guys need advice, I'm here. I'm here to answer any questions you guys have in regards to nutrition. You know, someone came at me and told me, oh, you know, we're on Jenny Craig, we're on Nutrisystem, we're on Weight Watchers or whatever. That's fine. Losing weight is great, but just because you're on these programs doesn't mean you're getting the proper nutrition that your body requires, because with food alone, it's not enough. This is why we need to supplement certain things, and we have to take supplements because our bodies cannot take in enough nutrition through just food. Don't know how else to explain it, but this is why we have supplements. There's nothing in the kitchen that you can possibly get that's more beneficial to your body than my Formula 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So talk to me about that if you ever want to. You can at least get one good breakfast in a day, and believe me, it'll be a complete meal. Nothing you can cook in the kitchen. I guarantee that. So give me a call if you guys want to get on board with Herbalife. If you guys want to purchase anything, I'm here. Or in case you want to get involved with the lifestyle, you want a walking buddy, if you're local here in Astoria, I'm there with you. Let's stay active. Laters.